leaning forward.
I think he's starting the music.
Yeah. Looks like he's typing.
Where is he, on a computer somewhere? There we go. Jimmy Buffett. I don't know when the volcano's gonna blow.
Oh.
There we go.
Where are they?
Over there. I asked you to go get her. I asked you to go get her.
Oh, look at that.
What? Oh.
The lava coming out.
I'm gonna go buy it. Woo-hoo! Oh my gosh.
A whole lot of baking soda. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be tight. That's so cool.
Yes! Sorry. My God, there's a lot of bubbles.
It's awesome.
Isn't that crazy?
Is this gonna be like a I Love Lucy thing where I love bubbles?
Beauty!
Yeah. Overwhelm you. Oh no.
That's fun.
Honey, you need to stand right there. Stand by your volcano, honey. Sorry.
It's still bubbling.
You don't need a little bit closer.
Yeah. Watch out for those pirate clouds.
No.
You're good.
God. Awesome or what?
Woo! Aren't you cute? Hey!
Proud daddy. Really good.
Oh, it's still going. All right.
What kind of soap is that?
Oh, there's
The soap is my dish soap. My favorite dish soap. It's just a cheap dish soap. But it's just the right proportion. It's going on the light. I told him about that. It should be fine.
Sorry.
Yay! It's still going. Okay, guys, I'm walking around.
The wind's gonna have a
Whee!
neat effect, huh?
There we go. I'm walking in front of you, excuse me.
Yeah.
Here. I'm doing a whole round. Is it still bubbling?
It's over there. That's perfect.
It blew out on the side a little bit of it, yeah. That's beautiful. Yay!
It's a lot of foam.
I'm still gonna record as long as it's still foaming.
Looks good.
He stole half my dish soap.
That's what I thought. Because Beth said it. Oh, that's, or some lady over here said it's soda, you know.
Oh,
baking soda.
baking soda.
It looks like Tide to me.
There you go. Woo!
He loves the volcanoes.
Great one.